like a Hellcat.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another new day here. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Let's go out and take it on. Look who decided to stop by, everyone. I know you recognize her. Pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Oh, I know what she's doing. She wants me to follow her again. She wanted me to follow her a little bit ago this morning, and I decided to play with her a little bit along the way. She doesn't mind playing around a little, but she wanted me to follow her. I think that's what she wants again. But she knows I'm gonna relax for a bit now. Yeah, you! You jumped again. That's not even 20 minutes after my last scare. Alright guys, we just got done watching Dune Chapter 2, which by the way was...
Part 2, dumbass.
Yeah, part 2. It's the same thing basically, but that was a hell of a movie.
Dude, it was fucking awesome, and Zendaya still cute as shit.
Seriously, that movie had one epic ending.
Agreed. Well, we can't tell you what it is.
You'll have to either buy it through Xfinity, or you'll have to use Max when it comes out on there.
It's worth it. Holy shit, it is worth it.
Taxes and fees included. That's right. 25 a month means 25 a month. Every month. Sorry, hidden fees. We're just not that into you. Sometimes the choice is just visible. Switch today at visible.com.
I feel purring. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of every new upload. Also, if you haven't already guys, go ahead and check out my social media and my other channels. Links are in the bio. If you guys would like to check out my merch, link to that is also in the bio at the very top. If you'd like to also guys, I would like for you to check out my referral links, which are also in the bio. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Peace.